Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you the trick behind my waves. You're going to need a comb, 2 rubber bands, hairspray, gel, and damp hair. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to part my hair with this comb. And I'm going to take the end of this comb and I'm going to drag it all the way back down the part to make a part in the back. So now we have 2 sections of hair, as if you're doing 2 French braids. Now you're going to take the sports gel. Well, you can use any type of gel. I have sports gel. And yes, I just got out of the shower, so I look weird. I'm going to put like a dime size in my hand, rub it like this, and I'm going to run my fingers through my hair. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take my Hold Flexible hairspray. I'm going to spray it. Now this is the tricky part. I mean, it's not really tricky, but it's the hardest thing you have to do throughout this process. I'm going to take my hair as if it's a French braid. I'm going to take 2 pieces. And I'm going to twist. And I'm going to keep picking up hair and twisting like this. Like a French braid, but I'm just doing a twist and I'm picking up hair. Picking up hair. Picking up hair. See? It's just like a French braid, but with a twist. And then you continue twisting all the way down. All the way down like this. And then you get a rubber band. And you tie the rubber band around the end. Yeah, Keeping Up with the Kardashians playing in the background because Nikki's watching it and she plays it really loud. The other side of my hair, I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to get 2 pieces of hair and just twist and then keep picking up hair as I'm twisting. And it's okay if it gets a little loose. Now once you're done with the twists, you're going to take the hairspray gun and spray down it. Now I'm going to go to bed and then in the morning I'll wake up and take these out for you and show you what to do from there. So it's the morning and I did my makeup and now I have these braids. So what I'm going to do with these braids right now is I'm going to take the straightener. It's a Remington straightener and I'm going to straighten the ends of my hair like I'm doing right now. So it's like straight like this on the ends. After you've straightened the ends, you want to take your rubber bands out. This one's hard to get out. I'll start with this one. See? And then I'm going to do the other side. And look at the ends, they're straight. If you want to touch it up with anything, I use the wand. And like I'll just fix a few pieces, like this one right here, see how it looks. I'll take the wand and I'll hold it on there for literally not even like a minute, just like really quickly. And see, it touched it up. Yeah, this is how you get my curls. If you have any further questions, just comment below. And if you want to see any other videos, just request it. Thanks, guys.